In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a code in Epic Games quickly and easily. Whether you've bought a game key, received a gift card, or got a promo code, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps so you can redeem it without confusion. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer. If you're not already signed in, log into the Epic Games account where you want the code to be redeemed. This is important because once a code is redeemed, it gets added to that specific account. After you're logged in, look to the upper right corner of the launcher window and click on your profile name. This will open a drop-down menu with several account options. From that menu, select Redeem Code. Once the redeem page opens, you'll see a box where you can enter your code. Carefully type in your 16-digit code exactly as it appears. Make sure to double-check every number and letter before continuing, because even one small typo can cause the code to fail. After you've entered the code, click Redeem. Epic Games will then verify the code and apply it to your account. Depending on the type of code, you may see a confirmation message, and your content should be ready to use right away or appear in your library shortly after. If the code doesn't work, and make sure it hasn't already been used, that it's for the correct region, and that you're signed into the right account. Those small details usually solve most redemption issues. And that's it. You now know how to redeem a code in Epic Games in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide.